Hello student, now the continuation of the previous lecture. We have now told you about some diseases or some precautions related to the reproduction. Okay, as we already know, by the increasing of population or various diseases in the genital part, okay, we have doctor has advised to how to just less the creative. Okay, so many things will be there, so one by one we will discuss about that. Okay, method, contraceptive method, contraceptive method of birth control. Contraceptive method of birth control. This question, definitely one of them will be come in the examination, so be careful about that. Three method that in our course, that is three method only. Number one is barrier method. Barrier method. Number two is surgical method. Surgical method. And number last is, that is pills method or oral pills method or treatment method or whatever is that. Okay. So first we will discuss about that the barrier method. Barrier method means just to stop. Okay, so here is the first one, that is barrier method. In this method, okay, male use a particular bag like structure, thin plastic bag like structure on the cover of their penis, that is called as condom. Okay, male just cover their penis with the help of condom. Okay, through this the sperm will be not just reaches to the female part, that is vagina, and through this fertilization will be not take place. Condom is an only barrier ways which can protect the disease also. So the question is arise that name the barrier method which are used as a contraceptive as well as it was used as a protection of, that is disease. Okay, see this one. Female have female condom, but here we will know about the copper T. Copper T is the structure. This one is the structure of copper. This one is totally structure. This is the structure of copper. This copper is just ejaculated or just fitted in the body, in the vagina part of the female, in the vagina or cervix part of the female. There is some duration. Duration means that is some that is 5 year or 3 year or whatever is that. So during this, if the couples are want second child or the third child, okay, so they are want some gap in between the first and second child, so they will always use full this means. Okay, so these are two things which that contraceptive method with the barrier method in your syllabus. Okay, second one is most important because maximum examination one of the question will definitely come. Second one is called surgical method. So in surgical method we have to know about that first in male. In male, suppose that this one is the part of this is the male part. ठीक है, तो here this duct या this tube is called as vas deferens. तो cutting and binding of vas deferens, this here it will be cut, okay, and just in opposite direction it will be just bind. Here it will be cut and just bind in the opposite direction, okay. Cutting and binding of vas deferens, okay, cutting and binding of vas deferens, because due to the cutting the sperm which was released by the testis it will be not reaches to the in the urethra, so the sperm will be not ejaculated from that part. It will be not ejaculated from that part. So in this way, cutting and binding of vas deferens in the male, this process is called as vasectomy. This one is most important, vasectomy. Why it was called vasectomy? So many things are there. V, if you want to learn, that is V for vas deferens and V for vasectomy. So this method will be very used. Second, in female. So in female body, as we already know, this one is the structure. Okay, so this is called as oviduct. Okay, oviduct or fallopian tube. So here it was what, that is cutting and binding of vas deferens, that is called as vasectomy, but here is what, cutting and binding of oviduct or fallopian tube. Cutting and binding of, that is oviduct or fallopian tube. Through this, the ovary, the ova that it was released, it will be not reaches in the uterus. It will be not reaches in the uterus. So fertilization will be not take place, because you already know fertilization will be take place in fallopian tube. Okay, so cutting and binding of fallopian tube, this in the female, this process, this is the surgical way, and this process is called as tubectomy. For the learning, if you want to learn, then here is fallopian tube, so tubectomy. Okay, this is the simple way you have to learn it. Okay, in oral pills method, there are so many pills or so many medicines are available in the market, okay, which the couples are used if they did not want a baby. Okay, so these are some methods. Okay, some diseases that you already know. Here we will just know about the diseases, only simple one. So I will just tell it here. Diseases, only two diseases that you have to learn. That is, number one, that is simple, that is the viral disease, that is called as AIDS, that is AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, this one. The second one, that is a bacteria. This one is the viral disease, viral disease. Okay, which will be transferred through during the sex or during the intercourse. Second one is called gonorrhea and syphilis. Gonorrhea and syphilis. Gonorrhea and syphilis is a bacterial disease. Bacterial disease, that is the viral disease, and this one is the bacterial disease. So the many examination, the question will arise that name any one viral disease, where viral sexually transmitted disease, and one that is bacterial sexually transmitted disease. So the answer is what? That is viral, that is AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, okay, which was caused by a virus, that name is HIV. That name is HIV, that is immunodeficiency virus, okay, and one is, and two is bacterial disease, that is gonorrhea and syphilis, okay. So these are some points, please note it down very carefully.